I'm Iman and I'm gonna do some foot volley training. Check this out, it should be fun.
So Sergio here with Pro Footvolley Tour, and today Iman came out. And Iman is, I think you're more than just an influencer. I think you're ready to play foot volley because you did really, really well. Tell us a little bit how you felt out there.
I felt amazing, you know, foot volley. I play soccer, so it's a little different, but I loved it.
Yeah, and tell us a little bit of the differences that you felt getting through the sand, if it was something that was relatively easier. Did you have any discomfort running through the sand or not, or the touch?
Yeah, running to the sand is a little heavy, you know, heavier than playing the field, but yeah, I felt my legs a little heavier to get to the ball. The touch, you have to put it up, different from soccer. Soccer, you know, I put it down, so I felt a little difficulty on that. But that was it, headers.
No, you did great. She did great. I thought she did great. Tell us about your shoulder. I saw that you have already a developed shoulder touch. It was pretty impressive. Show the audience how you do the shoulder. Go ahead.
So shoulder, I use my right shoulder. So if it's right, I have to put my left leg in front. So we have a balance, and you have to bend your legs. It's not only shoulders I use. You use your whole body, mostly your legs. So you get under the ball like this. You put your hands like this, so your shoulder pops up, and you get under the ball to make the movement up.